The Kansas is a very nice single-story home. The large family living room opens to kitchen and dining areas. Open plan concept. High ceilings. Kitchen with island, granite countertops and tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, pantry and cabinets with crown molding. 3 wonder bedrooms with 2.5 bath. Master has large walk-in closet and large bath. Ceramic tile throughout the living areas and bath, carpet in bedrooms. All this plus central refrigerated air. Pictures are for proposed plan and not of actual home.